Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I'm now dealing with 7th class. I have not written children, 8th class. 8th class, frequency, distribution and table. Frequency, distribution, tables and graphs. Frequency distribution tables and graphs. This topic I forgot to write children. This is the topic that I am dealing with. So in this example 12 I have already done. Now example 13, a grouped frequency distribution table is given below with class marks which are called mid values and frequency. Find class interval. So it is when they have given the mid values, class marks are called mid values. So to find out the frequency distribute class intervals, first you should see whether the consecutive, whether the difference between these two terms in the class marks are same or not. That means first you see 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 you will be getting 8. Okay. Now 23 minus 15. This is also 8. 31 minus 23. This is also 8. Now, 39 minus 31 is also 8. 47 minus 39. This is also 8. So, all of them are having 8. The difference is 8. This 8 is called size of the class. Size of the class, which is indicated by h, that is equal to 8. After knowing this h value, you want class intervals, means class interval has got lower boundary and upper boundary. So how will you get lower boundary? You will be getting lower boundary with taking 7, this value, minus h by 2. That means how much? 7 minus 8 by 2. 7 ones are 7 fours are. 7 minus 4, that is 3. Now upper boundary. Upper boundary is 7 plus h by 2 you have to do. This is the formula. 7 plus h by 2. 7 plus 8 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. 7 plus 4, that is 11. So the class interval is 3 to 11. Class interval 3 to 11. So first class interval if you get, remaining you can write it continuously. So with the gap of 3 to 11, what is the gap children? 3 and 8. There is a gap. The height is 8 means what? This difference also 8. So 8, 3 plus 8 is 11. So 11 plus it continues, because I am talking about boundaries means it is exclusive type of class interval. So here what is given to us? X. X value I am writing, class interval value I am writing, and frequency here. First X values are 7, 15, 23, 31, 39, 47. So first class interval I have done it like this. So I have got it as 3 to 11. So next 11 will be repeating. 11 to 19. 15 plus 4, 19. So this is 4 now. 4 you are getting here. So this is 19 to, how much you will be getting? 27. 27 to 35. 35 to 43. 43 to 47 plus 4 is 51. So these are the class intervals, and frequencies as it is, that is 5, 11, 19, 21, 12, 6. So this is the table that you will be getting, children, with the help of the values that are given to us. Frequency distribution table you are getting with the help of the values that are given to us. So I will explain it once again, children. So let us see. Here, what did they give? They have given class marks. Class marks are mid values. In the bracket, they have given mid values. Mid values means what, children? Actually, if you have a class interval, how will you find mid value? So now we have got class interval, so I can write 3 plus 11 by 2. Average of lower boundary and upper boundary, that is 14 by 2. 14 by 2 is 7. Say, you have got 7. Like this, these all are the mid values. They have given us mid values and frequency, and they have asked us to prepare class intervals. So to prepare class intervals, first and foremost thing what you need to see is you have to observe whether the difference between the consecutive terms is giving the same value. So 15 minus 7 is 8, 23 minus 15 is 8, 31 minus 23 is 8, 39 minus 31 is 8, 47 minus 39 is 8. So since we have got the differences as 8, we can take this 8 as the size of the class, which is considered as H. Now, if you want the class intervals, what you need to do is take the mid value that is given to us, and for that lesser value minus H by 2 you do. That is 7 minus 8 by 2, 7 minus 4, that is 3. Now, this is 3, I have got this value. I want the upper boundary. That means 7 plus H by 2, 7 plus 8 by 2, 7 plus 4, that is 11. So, first class interval, I have got it as 3 to 11. So, remaining, I can continue. I need not do this for every class. I need not to do this. So, I have got the next one 15. So, actually, what did we have? 15 minus 4 and see 7 minus 4 is this, 7 plus 4 is this. So 15 minus 4 is 11, 15 plus 4 is 19, 23 minus 4 is 19, 23 plus 4 is 27, 31 minus 4 is 27, 31 plus 4 is 35, 39 minus 4 is 35, 39 plus 4 is 43, 47 minus 4 is 43, 47 plus 4 is 51. So you have got in this way the class intervals, children. This is how you need to practice to get the class intervals. Please write down this. Now we are going to talk about cumulative frequencies, children. There are two types of cumulative frequencies. So let us just have a note of it. Less than cumulative frequency, we'll call it as LCF, and greater than cumulative frequency. This we will be calling it GCF. So less than cumulative frequency always will deal with upper boundary, and greater than cumulative frequency needs lower boundary. These boundaries we use while drawing the graphs, children. Less than this will in the graph, if you keep these values, you are going to get certain curves. So those curves to get, you need whenever you are using less than cumulative frequency, you have to go for upper boundary. Whenever you are going for greater than cumulative frequency, you have to go for lower boundary. Now, first we are going to talk about greater than cumulative frequency. So in your textbook, the order is greater than cumulative frequency. So let me discuss about greater than cumulative frequency. How to write? Greater than cumulative frequency. Usually we will call them as GCF. GCF means greater than cumulative frequency. So in this, the class marks, class interval is given to us. Class interval. What is class interval is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. So these are the frequencies that class intervals you have got. And then you have frequency. What are the frequencies? 25, 45, 60, 45, 60, 120, 300, 360, 120, 300, 360. And then 50, 25, 50, 25, 10, 5. Now this is frequency. Now we are going to talk about greater than cumulative frequency. So for this greater than cumulative frequency, actually, what you need to do, from the greater value of the class interval, you have to start writing. So here the greatest value is here. That means from here you have to start writing cumulative frequency. Now whatever is this number, write that number as it is. After writing this number, this should be added to this. 5 plus 10 is 15. 15 plus 25, how much you are getting? 40. Isn't it? 15 plus 25, 5, 5, 10, 40. 40 plus 50, 90. 90 plus 360. 360 and 90. 0, 5, 450. So this is 450. 450 plus 300, 750. And 750 plus 120. 750 plus 120. 0, 7, 8. 870. 870 plus 60. If you add 60, 13, 9. 930. 930 plus 45. 5, 7, 9. 975. 975 plus 25, 1000. So this has come in a crooked way, the same numbers. I'll write it here, children. 900, 1000, 975, 930, 870, 750, 450, 90, 40, 15, 5. So I'm just rubbing this, children. It is in a crooked way I got the numbers. So I hope I am clear, children. Here, greater than cumulative frequency means I told you, talk about lower boundaries. Lower boundaries, it is an exclusive type of class interval. Whatever you have got here, limits and boundaries are same. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So it's a very easy one, children. Please understand carefully. Greater than cumulative frequency, a clue I am giving, children. This is only a clue. Greater than cumulative frequency, if you want to write, see in the class interval, is it in ascending order and descending order? See, this is in ascending order, so greatest value is here. Sometimes you may get class intervals in descending order, then greater value will come here. It is not from bottom to top. Don't underestimate this word, children. From bottom to top we have to do. It is not like that. Which is the greatest frequency class interval, from there we have to start. So here the greatest frequency is this. So from this we have to do. What we have to do? Whatever frequency that is given, that should be taken as it is. And to this, the previous frequency add, you will be getting this. This should be added to this to get 40. 40 plus 50, 90. 90 plus 360, 450. 450 plus 300, 750. 750 plus 120, 870. 870 plus 60, 930. 930 plus 45, 975. 975 plus 25, 1000. This is how you need to write uh, uh, greater than cumulative frequency. And for greater than cumulative frequency, always you need to have lower boundaries. So this is how you need to prepare children. One more thing, if you add the frequencies, whatever answer you are getting, the last value of cumulative frequency should be the same. So if you add 5, 5, 10, 10, 10, 20, so 2, 3, 5, 10, 16, 16, 16, 18, 20, 30, 3, 3, 3, 6, 9, 10. See children. This is 1000, this is 1000. You should get it like this. If you are not getting them same, that means you have done wrong either in this addition or in writing the cumulative frequency. So always you have to check. In case in the problem itself they have given the class intervals are of so and so members. Actually here they have given in a competitive examination 1000 candidates appear, they said. 1000 candidates means frequency sum is 1000. So this 1000 you should get it here children. So this is how you need to write cumulative frequency. Please note it down. Greater than cumulative frequency should be written in this way from the greatest value of class interval. Now the next one is lesser than cumulative frequency children, LCF, less than cumulative frequency. For that what they'll give you class intervals and they'll give you frequency. You have to write less than cumulative frequency. Just like how we have done greater than cumulative frequency, even less than cumulative frequency also should be done in the same way. But the thing is, in greater than cumulative frequency, we have taken the greatest value. Now for less than cumulative frequency, we have to start with the least value of the class interval. That is, this is the least value 0 to 5. So first, whatever is the frequency, write that as it is. And 7 plus 10, 17. 17 plus 15, 7, 5, 12, 32. 32 plus 8, 40. 40 plus 3, 43. So is it correct or not? Let us see. 7, 5, 12, 20, 23. 2, 3, 4, 43. See, you have got both of them as same. In the earlier case, for greater than cumulative frequency, we have seen the top one because we started from bottom and we have gone to top. Here now from top to bottom we have come. Why is it? Because it is lesser than cumulative frequency, least value we have to take. Now upper boundaries we need to write. Upper boundaries are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So this is how you are going to write less than cumulative frequency children. So here the class intervals given 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. Frequencies are given like this. Now since you want less than cumulative frequency, observe the least value. It is here. Sometimes if they are writing in descending order, it may get down also. So don't develop a habit of from bottom to top greater than, top to bottom lesser than. That kind of thought process is wrong. What is it? Less, as the name indicates, lesser than cumulative frequency, it should be from less class interval. Greater than cumulative frequency from greater class interval. So here less than cumulative frequency, least class is here, its frequency is 7. This as it is you write 7 plus 10, 17, 17 plus 15, 32, 32 plus 8 is 40, 40 plus 3 is 43. So when you add all this, you are getting 43, here also 43. So our way of writing cumulative frequency is correct. Next, upper boundaries you have to write. Actually, less than cumulative frequency and upper boundaries, as I said, they are used for graphs. Okay, please note it down. Now children, in example 14, what is given here? Given below are the marks of the students in less than cumulative frequency. See, they have given us class intervals and less than cumulative frequency they have given. These are the marks. These are less than cumulative frequency. Now the question is you have to write the frequency. See, in the earlier cases, frequency is given, you have written cumulative frequencies. Here, cumulative frequency is given, you have to write the frequency. So how to write? First, let us talk about this part only. Less than cumulative frequency. From that, you have to write a frequency. What you have to do? First, you take this frequency as it is. Since they have done less than cumulative frequency, we should talk with the least value. Least value frequency is 12, right as it is. In the frequency, what you did, you have added. Now what you have to do, from this 27, let me write this frequency a little bit away so that the calculation part can be written. So frequency, the first one is 12. Second one is 27 minus 12. Earlier you have added with some number. Now you have this 27 minus 12. How much are you getting? 50. 27 minus children, 54 minus 27 is 27. Then 67 minus 54. 67 minus 54, 31, 13. And 75 minus 67, that is 15 minus 7, that is 8. So frequencies are this. What did you do? From the less than cumulative frequency, you have to convert to frequencies. So first, whatever is given, that you have to take as it is, because it is less than cumulative frequency. If it is greater than cumulative frequency, we should start from bottom. So here, bottom is greatest value. This is greatest value, no? So we should start from here. But less than cumulative frequency, this is the least value. So this less than cumulative frequency, first one as it is the frequency you have taken. Next, what you have to do, you have to subtract these two to get this value. These two you have to subtract to get this value. These two you have to subtract to get this. These two you have to subtract to get this. So this is how you are getting frequency. So given below are the tables of are the marks of the students in less than cumulative frequency. Write the frequencies. I have written frequencies. Now you have to find out greater than cumulative frequency. So greater than cumulative frequency means here the greatest frequency, that is 8. So I'll write 8. 8 plus 13. 8 plus 13 is 21, and 21 plus 27, 48. 48 plus 15, that is 3, 6, 63. 63 plus 12. 63 plus 12 is 75. So this is the cumulative frequency 21 and 8. Okay, this is greater than cumulative frequency. So in this way, whatever he has asked, we have done. Now the next question is, how many students marks are given? Say children, if you find out the last value of grade LCF or the greatest value of GCF, or if you add this frequency, how much are you getting? 7 plus 3, 10, 18, 20, 25, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 75. See, all these are same. Sum of the frequency and less than cumulative frequency, the highest value, and in greatest than cumulative frequency, the highest value should be same. So number of students marks, number of students are nothing but 75. This is the answer, children. So let us understand the problem once again. They have given class intervals. They have given less than cumulative frequencies. Now you need to find out frequency. How will you do? First, the less than cumulative frequency, first value as it is you have to do. After taking that, you have to concentrically, you have the consecutive number 27 minus 12, you'll be getting next one. 54 minus 27, 27. 67 minus 54, 13. 75 minus 67, 8. This is the frequency. Now, after frequency, after writing frequency, greater than cumulative frequency, they are asking. That means in this greatest value is this. That means you have to start with this 8, 8 plus 13, 21, 21 plus 27, 48, 48 plus 15, 63, 63 plus 12, 75. So you have got greater than cumulative frequency. And one more question that they have asked is how many students' marks are given. That means the greatest value of LCF is 75, and also frequency sum is 75, and the greatest value of GCF is 75. They should match like this. Otherwise, there is a mistake that you have done in your book, children. So you have to see that this is what is called a checking. If you check it, if you get these three are same, then your answer is same. So correct. Your answer is correct. So go through it, children. Copy it. Yeah, with this, I am going to conclude my topic to the children. In the next class, I will be teaching the next part.